Hi guys! I'm going to show you how to implement noise suppression on any web app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have Node.js downloaded and then go to the developer console and grab your access key. You're then going to want to download the koala_params.pv from our GitHub, which will be linked in the description down below. Next, you're going to want to open VS Code and create a Node.js project. I've already done so and then CD'd into that project. From there, you're going to want to take that koala_model file that we just got and place it into the src of the public directory. From there, we're going to edit index.js. Before we do anything, we're just going to install a couple of dependencies. Alright, now let's edit our file. So the first thing you're going to want to do is import our files, and then take that access key to define our koala model. Then we're going to take a code that will be pasted down below in our description, which is in our blog post, and run our file. In order to do this, you're going to want to make sure you have npm downloaded, and then what we're going to do is start a server. And serve the public directory. And there you can start your noise suppression as well as stop it, and it'll be applied to your microphone. Thank you for watching, and visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.